Given the evolving conflict situation since launch of Operation Sindoor by India against Pakistan, in response to killing of 26 tourists at Pahalgam, Supreme Court told the centre that time is not right for discharge of 69 short service commission officers, including 47 women. At the prevailing situation, let us not bring their morale down. They're brilliant officers. Their services can be used somewhere else. This is not time to force them to roam corridors of Supreme Court. They can be somewhere else to serve the country, said a bench of Justice Suryakant and N. Katishwar Singh. Additional Solicitor General Aishwarya Bhatti said it is an administrative decision to discharge SSCOs who, after completing 14 years service, are not found fit for permanent commission. This is based on policy to keep armed forces young, she said. Appearing for Lieutenant Colonel Geeta Sharma, senior advocate Menka Guruswamy said that administrative decision could not be discriminatory and that when there are vacancies in PC officers' posts, there is no reason why SSCOs like Sharma are not granted permanent commission. Guruswamy cited the example of Colonel Sophia Qureshi, who fought a legal battle to get permanent commission and is now seen briefing media about Operation Sindoor. The bench said that the question before the court is purely a legal one and has nothing to do with individual officers. However, it stayed the discharge of short service commission officers till August 6-7 when the court would hear the petitioners and the government in detail. Bhatti informed the court that Sharma, commissioned in the Corps of Signals in March 2011, was considered for permanent commission in December 2020 and was found fit for 4-year extension of service. For her batch of 204 SSCOs, 77 technical and 127 non-technical, there were 119 vacancies of permanent commission. PC was granted to 118 SSCOs and a 4-year extension to 56 others. In all, 30 batchmates of Sharma were released from service from March 18th.